mga kabayan. Nagawa po ako ng power supply for my scooter. Napulot ko lang is free from the roadside there. So, gagawa ko ng power supply. I-explain ko lang muna. Ito yung rectifier diodes, wires, transformer, box na hindi mo alam mo. And then, of course, diode magnetic extension. How to fit the diode. Ang harap nito is or the front is negative. An AC is one. Alternative current, transformer, the box. Of course, we need dito.